Are you tired of leads slipping through the cracks? In today's video, I'll show you how to convert leads into loyal customers using an effective sales pipeline. Let's dive in. First, let's set up your sales pipeline. In GoHighLevel, navigate to the Opportunities tab in the main menu. From here, click on New Pipeline at the top right. Now, give your pipeline a name, like Sales Funnel. Next, add stages that match your sales process. For example, stages like lead contacted, follow-up, proposal sent, closed won, and closed lost are typical. This structure will help you track where your leads are in the journey toward becoming a customer. Once the stages are set, you're ready to add your leads. To add leads to your pipeline, go to the Contacts section. Select the leads you want to add, then click Add to Pipeline and assign them to the relevant stage. Managing leads is easy with GoHighLevel. Simply drag and drop leads between stages as they progress through your sales process. This gives you a clear view of where every lead stands at any given moment. Follow-ups are crucial to keep leads engaged, and GoHighLevel makes this effortless by automating the process. Let's create an automated follow-up. Go to Automations and create a new workflow. Set a trigger for when a lead enters a specific stage, like follow-up. Then, add an action, such as sending an automated SMS or email. This will help you stay connected without lifting a finger. Tracking your sales pipeline performance is just as important as managing it. Go to the Reporting section, and here, you'll see key data like conversion rates and the number of leads in each stage. These insights help you identify areas for improvement and fine-tune your sales strategy. Ready to transform your leads into customers? Sign up for a free consultation today and start optimizing your sales pipeline. All the links you need are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching.